this is Jeff Allen, and to kick off 2018, the Flat 12 crew and the Classic Auto Show team up to build a 1967 Camaro in just 67 days, all for the benefit of the Ronald McDonald House, Central Valley. So I found the perfect donor car, but it just so happened to be over 1,000 miles away. So I dug it out of the backwoods of Tennessee and hauled it all the way back to the Big D, where the Flat 12 crew is completely taking it apart. So when we build this baby back up, it should be one mean machine. So I didn't want it to just be another good-looking Camaro. I wanted it to be an awesome driver as well. That's why I teamed up with Classic Industries, Hotchkiss Suspension, and Bear Brakes to pull off this build in record time. Speaking of time, I better get back to it. But I'll see all of you at the 2018 Classic Auto Show, where I'll be unveiling this bad boy.